Hey guys, I'm Emma Ryan, Integrative Nutrition Health Coach and founder and owner of Plant. Today we are making dairy-free cream cheese, so vegan cream cheese, whatever you want to call it. We're going to take 2.5 cups of cashews and put them into the base of our blender. These are raw, unsalted cashews. We have 3 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. I have half a cup of water. And last but not least, a teaspoon of salt. And this seems like a lot, but we're gonna get a lot of yield out of this recipe. Now I'm just going to blend. Cool, so as you guys will learn when you make this takes several minutes to blend. It should be really thick and creamy when it's done. Depending on what kind of blender you have, you might have to add more liquid so that your blender base doesn't overheat. Just keep in mind, you do want to add as little liquid as possible so that it's a thick cream cheese-like consistency. However, if you end up having to add, several ounces of liquid, again, depending on your blender, once this refrigerates and gets cold, it will thicken as well. So don't worry if you have to add water. We're just gonna store this in a food container in the refrigerator and it'll be ready to go, tomorrow. Put it on your favorite gluten-free bagel or add it to a breakfast sandwich or something of that nature. But I hope you enjoy this dairy-free cream cheese. Be sure to subscribe, comment below, and let us know what you're looking for next. I'll see you soon.